We got TJ. TJ. You wanna say hi? So yeah, we had Christina's first ultrasound appointment. Last vlog, we had just found out she was pregnant. Christian with mommy. Oh, you gotta be so loud. But we just found out Tina was pregnant. So today we're checking out the baby. Let's see how far along she was, cause we didn't realize she was pregnant. She was saying she's feeling movement, and she don't think she should be feeling movement at this point in time, right?
Baby's little yolk sack.
I've been feeling like movement real early. That's weird.
Yeah, they say usually by your third or fourth week of pregnancy you feel it real early on.
Now we can see that's the big one too.
Your vision from head to foot.
Robbie's rocking in his stomach.
Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, mommy's stomach.
But why you got shiny?
So it's only one, right?
Yes, just one.
She got jelly on her stomach so she can see the baby.
You got the other side. Mine probably got shiny.
Yeah.
Like for my yellow side, the yellow. Mine got
We're doing a dating or an NT?
This is a dating.
Oh, perfect. 2 arms, 2 legs, cute little heartbeat.
How much baby is his stomach larger than baby? Is his stomach juicy? What kind of work would that on my stomach?
Yeah. Probably better to come back in like. Yeah, some people do 38, sometimes people do 39. Best to come back in a week or 2 and get it.
Okay.
Unless it's bigger than that, but I think.
His what's so happen? Say you the yes.
Yes. No, they'll take it up there. But be honest.
Here.
You want to try and just. I mean, you would qualify. Just see what you can get, but it might be worth coming back. See if the baby will work right. Technically, you can do it. It's just what. Yeah, since baby seems to be moving kind of nicely.
Maybe I can have a much dog. And then this is a dog. This is how you.
So you can see the baby.
Do another one. I mean, take that one, but
Okay. So they can see it.
baby will
That's how big.
to work too. This is a cute baby. One baby in there. Looks like it's matching your due date, so that's good. We're just seeing if we can do the genetic screening part or if we have to.
So now, the doctor there was just doing her ultrasounds to do her, so she's going to go get another one, so they can check it out.
Second opinion, basically.
Just basically second opinion. We're sitting here waiting here with the jelly on the belly. Got some photos. We'll show y'all. Put some up, post them. So after this, we gotta get what? We gotta go here. We gotta go this.
With that double shoulders.
Let's get a physical. Let's get a physical or something.
Oh, they had to do like a regular OBGYN appointment. Listen to heartbeat and stuff like that.
That's what they done now?
No, after this ultrasound, it's a regular OBGYN appointment.
We gonna get a baby first, then we gonna get the stroller. That was the baby
One at a time.
No, the double stroller right now is for Asai and TJ. Once
Yeah.
Asai be a big girl and walk by herself,
Yeah.
then it'll be for the baby and TJ.
Yeah, so we gotta go see how much they cost, cause they be. It was good, everyone. So we're just getting back in. It's about 3:30. It was hectic out there. Being downtown, it was real cold and windy and stuff like that. We wasn't prepared for it. So we didn't. That's the reason why we didn't do too much vlogging today outside, and just more so when we was inside the doctor office, things like that. After we left the office, we went around to a couple of stores looking for a double stroller. We was unable to find one. We went to Burleson Coat Factory. We went to Target. We went to Macy's. We couldn't find a double stroller. So we're gonna try again tomorrow. So then we're home. Literally just got back in. Tina, she changing the baby's diapers, and me, I just started doing this again. So I call myself trying to seal up the windows. I'm not too much of a handyman, so I had Tina record me like doing the windows, but I sealed up one, and I gotta seal up the rest of the house. You know, insulate the house, make sure it's warmer. Last year it was kind of cold in here, so I'm just trying to prepare.
Hey everybody, so T just came back from the store because I was craving some Jamaican food, and he just got back. I'm gonna show you guys what we got in a minute, but first I just want to talk a little bit about the appointment and how it went. They said that it's one baby, that's what they said, and they said the due date was May 8th, even though they didn't confirm it because I don't see it on the ultrasound. Hopefully next week it'll be like a little more accurate, and they should be able to tell everything by then. I'm about to get to this food, show y'all guys what we eat in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so I got some rice. Let me see if you can see it. I got some rice and beans, a platter of rice and beans for the kids, because they're gonna eat it a little small. I don't know how they are. And I just got them simple things because my kids are picky. And then I got them some fries. For me and T, we got platters, vegetable platters. We got some sauteed cabbage and sauteed carrot and rice and beans. Sauteed kale and rice and beans. And cabbage.
Hey, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So Chris and I, we're headed to the zoo right now. We have a field trip today at the zoo. It's kind of cool. I was kind of speculating going, but you know, he never been to the zoo, so he was kind of excited. It's gonna be his first and last time going. How you feel about going to the zoo? You gotta speak louder, that's so they can hear you. So he can't wait to see the lions and tigers. That's what he was saying. But yeah, I don't really condone the zoo. So to me, it's like a prison. But you know, since it's a school trip and it's his first time, I figure I want him to see exactly, you know, why we're here, what they do at the zoo, to the animals, you know, things of that nature. So when we get there, we'll start vlogging. Hey guys, so now Chris taking a little bathroom break. We just finished looking at the jaguar. I mean the leopard. We finished looking at the leopard, and we just finished learning about palm oil. Palm oils and Oreos. Is it toothpaste and a lot of things. And even though Oreos is vegan, it's crazy. It's sad what they do to the forest and where the animals live at. What's called deforestation. You know exactly what I'm trying to say. But all that just for some palm oil? Is it good to eat Oreos, young boy?
No, because it have blackness in it.
Yeah, and then they show their houses, right?
Wait, why does it taste yummy though?
Cause everything that's good, sometimes things that taste good is bad for you. But they purposely make them taste good so people can buy them.
I thought,
If it was nasty, would you eat it?
no.
Would you buy it?
Mm,
Exactly. So that's why they taste yummy. But it's bad for you. But yeah, we just learned about palm oil and how, how the use of palm oil destroys animals, lands, and stuff like that. So yeah, we done with palm oil, young boy. Right? We done with that. We done with French fries too, right? We can find some without palm oil. You just gotta look. You gonna say that, Christian?
six.
So right now we're looking at the lemurs, mongoose lemurs, and it's kind of cold outside, but we're looking at the mongoose lemurs. Like I was trying to explain to Christian, you see how they locked up inside the behind the window?
Yes.
Yeah, that's how animals are at the zoo. Hey, only thing they get to do is do this right here. That's their whole space. And then that's the thing right there. The shrew was. And we got the giant elephant shrew, which is like a rat. And then we looking at the gray TT monkey. See the monkey up there?
Oh, wow. These people are
Oh, he's skilled. That's what they do. They climb. They nice.
Why I can't see those?
That's what that is right there. That's that. Hey guys, so right here we got a meat rats. It's crazy how they really just out in the open, no cages or nothing. Let me be locked up somewhere around the cage. I'm running. What's up? That's just me. Right here. There's another one right there. They call them meat rats. Meat cat, American. My bad, American. You know American? Huh? No, that's the name of it, American. So me and Chris trying to figure out why is this bird not in a cage? So right now we're looking at the little baby monkeys clowning.
See, we have the food to eat so much food.
That's the dad one up there, like we saw earlier. But Christian's doing better with the, I know you'd be way happier swinging in more space. My mom must be in there. I'm closed now, because I don't see her out here. So yeah, me and Chris was wondering why they had the peacocks out, but he's supposed to be out there. Yeah, they right there. All pretty and blue. I'm gonna zoom in. As y'all see, I'm not getting that close. But we're gonna stay our distance. Respect this space. But yeah, I see you. I see you. There you go. Help you out. So yeah, me and Chris was wondering why they had the peacocks out, but he's supposed to be out there. Yeah, they right there. All pretty and blue. I'm gonna zoom in. As y'all see, I'm not getting that close. But we're gonna stay our distance. Respect this space. But yeah, I see you. I see you. There you go. Help you out. We get ready. What ready to do, Chris? Where we about to go?
Are we going to the store, then we're going home?
Exactly. So we're going to the store. We're gonna do a little shopping before we get back to the house, and then we're going home. I might bring a side here just so she can see the same thing I wanted Chris to see. Why the zoo not good? Watch yourself, young boy. Watch yourself. Come on. But we back at We ready to leave? So, we get ready to leave. And, yeah, you see how good Chris act? Exactly how you supposed to have your kids. Not, I don't only say something one time. Where you supposed to be at, Chris? Exactly. So, I might come back and bring Sai here to see the zoo, but earlier, if you remember, Chris said that he liked the zoo, but he didn't like it because the animals are stuck. So, the same way I feel. Right? Might do a quick little grocery haul at First Grocer. That's where we're going, First Grocer. All these had a recall on their frozen fruit. So, I don't know what else they might have a recall on. I'm not even going to take that chance. But, yeah.